Look at this Basque cheesecake. It's made without cream cheese or heavy cream. It's easy and affordable to make. Today, I'll show you how to make a Basque cheesecake with this yogurt, but really, any yogurt will work. So, let's get started! I'll be using this yogurt called With the Yogurt. You can find it at Japanese grocery stores like Seijo Ishii. It's unsweetened and has a thick cream cheese-like texture. I really like it. Let's peel off the lid! Look at this. There is some whey in the yogurt. So, just drain it out. This process will give your cheesecake a nice thick texture. I'm using a paper towel to drain the yogurt. Cover the container of the yogurt with the paper. Secure the paper towel with a rubber band. Then flip it over onto your bowl to get the whey and leave it for a while. The draining is done. When the yogurt gets this thick, it's ready to use. The weight of the yogurt is about 350 grams. Time to get brown sugar ready. I'm using out 90 grams. When you make sweets, it's kind of shocking how much sugar goes in, right? In the same way, prepare 25 grams of cake flour. Let's get the cake pan ready. I'm lining with parchment paper and I like to crumple it to fit. It's even easier if you wet the paper a little first. For me, this part feels kind of like origami. It's actually fun. Now the pan is ready. Now let's make butter. From here, it's super easy. Just mixing. First, put the drained yogurt into a bowl. Next, crack in 2 eggs. You can add the 4 eggs directly into the yogurt. I start mixing with a whisk and then switch to a hand mixer. There is no reason to use the hand mixer. It just feels like it makes the butter smoother. Once it's well mixed, sift in the cake flour and mix it in the same way. You don't need a hand mixer. A whisk is totally fine. Now, add the brown sugar and mix again. I'm using this hand mixer just because I bought it to make this Basque cheesecake, but an ordinary whisk works fine too. When it's mixed well, pour in 100 grams of milk and stir. Since the butter got runny now, it's better to switch back to the whisk so that the hand mixer won't get everything messy. After that, add a little lemon juice and mix it in. Normally, vanilla extra would be great here, but I didn't have any at home, so I left it out. Now, the butter is ready! Alright, time to pour the butter into the pan. I like to strain through a sieve to make the butter smoother. It's a little extra step, but totally worth it. The butter in the pan looks great! Now, let's bake the butter! Preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius. Once it's preheated, bake at 240 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. To avoid uneven broiling, occasionally open the oven and rotate the pan. After 25 minutes, it's baked nicely. The Basque cheesecake is jelly when it comes out. Let it cool, and once it reaches room temperature, place it in the fridge to chill. And here is the Basque cheesecake after chilling. Chilling helps it set and makes it taste even better. I recommend chilling it overnight. Carefully peel off the parchment paper. Now, let's cut it into pieces. The slice looks beautiful too. Time to taste it. Wow, it's so delicious. The texture is moist and really nice. I'd love to share some with Kotaro, but unfortunately, he can't eat it. So instead, I gave him some sweet potato. We enjoyed tea time together. Thank you for watching.